Screen House by Kiron Cheerla Architecture Design in Hyderabad, India. The project site, situated alongside a lush green park, presented an opportunity for the client and architect to fully leverage its natural surroundings. Designed to seamlessly blend with its environment, the project uses simple and natural materials. Opting for Shou Sugi Ban charring on the exterior achieves a double win. The burnt wood recedes visually into the landscape, and the material's scale complements the surrounding architecture. Furthermore, the charred layer offers low-maintenance durability. The screen provides visual separation from neighboring buildings while also effectively blocking harsh sunlight from entering the structure, by integrating landscape vegetation growing on the screen. Throughout the project, the emphasis was placed on creating expansive, voluminous spaces to foster a sense of openness and permeability within the site. This was achieved by maximizing linear views along the WE axis, and incorporating ample greenery and landscaping. East and west vistas inspired detailed talks on window size. The client embraced larger west windows. To combat sun and rain, a west-facing roof overhang extends nearly 10 feet. The west sliding door boasts operable louvers for adjustable ventilation and privacy, ideal for evenings and vacancy. Design prioritized landscape integration. RCC volumes in the cellar functioned as retaining walls, raised for planting on upper floors. This created a view corridor, offering sun protection and a direct connection to the natural surroundings. An open courtyard, as requested by the client, integrates dining and living areas. Rough Bangalore stone subtly defines the space, while operable glass panels above provide rain protection and ventilation. The upper level features operable glass panels that serve a dual purpose, shielding the courtyard from rain while enabling cross-ventilation to combat hot air, a decision influenced by practical considerations such as rain and insects. This collaborative approach between the client and the design team contributed significantly to the final character and ambience of the building. Striking a balance between design and client desires, the home features a main level with a thoughtfully proportioned 11.5-foot ceiling, maximizing space without sacrificing intimacy. Hidden beams contribute to a clean aesthetic, while sunken slabs on the upper floor create a lush terrace garden visible from various rooms. Planters throughout the house cascade greenery downwards, seamlessly integrating nature into the architecture. This multi-layered approach and clever double-sided wardrobes exemplify the thoughtful design that permeates the entire home. A custom in-house table prioritizes both affordability and versatility, serving various functions beyond dining. Its unique design, featuring concrete bases, I-sections, and wood, offers substantial cost savings while ensuring durability through efficient weight distribution. The design employs basic materials like granite, wood, brass, concrete, and glass, carefully selected for their compatibility and ability to cultivate a specific ambience. This approach prioritizes a cohesive and inviting atmosphere over giving a wow factor. For instance, brass paired with concrete or Burma teak creates distinct sensory experiences while contributing to a harmonious overall aesthetic. This approach balances visibility with a sense of seamlessness, fostering a harmonious experience throughout the house.